Good morning, dear student. Myself Binod Singh. Today I will teach you class 10th biology first chapter life process. First of all, we discussed about the life process. Life process means living things are complex organization of molecule which perform certain life process such as growth, metabolism, reproduction, etc. that and we discussed about what is a life. Life means all living organisms perform some basic functions in order to remain live. These processes are needed for the maintenance of bodies and catching of their daily activities. Some of these processes can be occurs when the organisms are not doing any activities. Life process continue to occur when we are just sitting or sleeping everything. This is because when we are asleep, a large number of biological processes continue to occur which require energy. All these processes which together keep to living organism alive and perform the job of body maintenance. Overall process is called life process. And we discussed which are the main component to be held in life process that life is survived. First is nutrition. Nutrition in this process all living organism can obtain and utilize the nutrients as like food. These nutrients are the source of energy. All these nutrients comes from outside the body of the individual organism. Most of these nutrients are also carbon based. Nutrition of different organisms involve different process. Plant nutrition involves the process of photosynthesis in which the green plant synthesize carbohydrates with the help of carbon dioxide and sunlight. Animal nutrition involves taking of food inside the body and its digestion. Respiration. Respiration is the very important factor of life process that involves breakdown of nutrients through oxidation and release of energy for cellular respiration. For this, many organisms takes oxygen from outside the body. And next, transport. Transport in this case of single organism like amoeba, no specific organ for getting nutrients, oxygen, water or removal of waste are needed to entire body surface of such organism in contact with the environment. They enter into the cell by simple diffusion. Excretion. Excretion is the biological and biochemical reactions involves in assimilation of carbon dioxide, digestion of nutrients and oxidation of digested nutrients generate some byproduct which are known only unless for the less. These removal of excess or toxic waste for the body is called excretion. We discussed about nutrition. Nutrition is the very important factor of all living organisms like animals and plants. Nutrition, all living organisms need nutrients, food to build up most of their own body molecules and to get energy for doing work. Nutrients are inorganic as well as organic substance which the organism obtain from their surrounding in order to synthesize their body constituent and use them as a source of energy. And we discussed mode of nutrition, that means first autotrophic nutrition in green plant. Like other organisms, plant also need organic food for nourishment to utilize their requirement of energy for various activity. Green plant are autotrophic in the sense that they synthesize organic food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, photosynthesis, that means photon means light, and synthesis means putting together, that means formation. Synthesis of food with the help of light is the most important process on the earth. By the green plant synthesize complex carbohydrate organic food and involves molecular oxygen from simple inorganic substance like carbon dioxide and water with the help of light energy. In this process of photosynthesis can be defined as the conversion of light energy, that means radiant energy, into chemical energy by the green plant of its part. Photosynthesis reaction given below, that means the carbon dioxide 6 molecules and water 12 molecules react in the presence of light and pigment chlorophyll to form glucose, water and oxygen. In this process, photosynthesis occurs only green plant because this process required presence of green colored pigment called chlorophyll. In plant cells, metabolic activity will be held. That metabolic activity to plants. In this process, photosynthesis is anabolic process. That means in photosynthesis process, plant preserve food, that means formation of food. Photosynthesis reaction is not anabolic process. That means you can say that food is not breaking, only storing in leaf surface.